The animals we share the planet with have an incredible knowledge of its geography. Every day, around the globe, animals are traveling. Some are on short trips to nearby destinations. Some are on year-long journeys. And some are on annual migrations, crossing continents and oceans, on routes stretching tens of thousands of miles. From Antarctica to Greenland, from New Zealand to China, from Russia to Japan, from Alaska to California, from North America to Mexico, and from Europe to Africa. Animals travel for the same reasons we do. For the weather, for the food, and beaches. To meet others, to find love, and make new homes. To find safe areas to raise their kids. To move away from dangerous areas. Or to find a new place to settle permanently. If they find a climate or food source that's consistent throughout the year, they may decide not to leave. Living near cities has allowed animals to cease migrating, and only some may choose to travel for the winter. Traveling requires cultural knowledge, which youngsters have to learn from their elders. Culture is a set of solutions to the problem of how to survive. For a young elk, when everything freezes, where do we go? Where does our family find water when our marsh goes dry? For a young chimpanzee, now that the fruit is gone, what do I eat? Travel culture in animals includes knowing about suitable locations, how to get there, where to stop over, and what to eat and drink on the way. While accompanying experienced elders on their first trip, youngsters start learning the route. They must learn to recognize coastlines, oceans, mountains, islands, stopovers, and other landmarks across continents spanning thousands of miles. They learn about multiple locations, the best water holes, the best swimming holes, the best locations for building homes. They learn the locations of different rivers and forests, farms and fields, meeting places, rookeries, and friendly human tourist sites. They learn about where to go depending on different conditions, such as weather, food sources, or competing inhabitants. They learn about the effects of weather in different locations, where to find water in times of drought, which areas flood in heavy rain, and how to adapt travel plans to weather conditions. Animals make their travel plans based on these variables. Many migrations are unpredictable and can change every year depending on rainfall. Zebras migrate to different regions depending on the season and their location. And depending on rainfall, youngsters learn travel routes and destinations from the elders in their group. Memory is the primary factor in zebra migration. Zebras use memory of past average conditions to direct their migration, and they migrate to areas where they previously found the best foraging conditions. They travel together with groups of antelope and wildebeest over a circuit that spans more than 1,000 miles and leads them to fresh water and grazing sites. Moose learn migratory routes from other members of their herd and pass them down through generations. This shared knowledge is essential for moose, which must find good forage locations to put on enough fat for the long winter. Elders appear important for social learning of migratory routes. Various storks, vultures, eagles, and hawks all depend on following the cues of elders to locate strategic migration flyways or important stopover sites. Conservationists have raised young cranes, geese, and swans to follow microlight aircraft as a surrogate parent on first migrations. Without such enculturation, they would not have known where to go. Young mammals, too. Moose, bison, deer, antelope, wild sheep, ibex, and many others learn crucial migration routes and destinations from elder, keepers of traditional knowledge. After giving birth in the tropics, whales, who have fasted for several months, trek back to colder waters and their food. Their little one follows. For their whole lives to come, they will travel the route learned from their mother. Eventually, their little ones will learn it. In some group-living species, or those with extended periods of parental care, the first migration of an individual's life is often with conspecifics. The migration route and/or site learned can therefore be horizontally transferred from conspecifics or vertically transmitted from parent to offspring, helping ensure that offspring are able to find ephemeral resources in highly patchy environments. Individuals can maintain these socially learnt migratory behaviors across time, leading to a form of cultural conservatism. Adults with migratory experience and knowledge of suitable habitats may be particularly important as knowledgeable individuals for reintroduction efforts or for preserving existing populations. It takes decades for some migratory animals to learn their routes. And this knowledge can be lost in a generation.